So today we're kicking off our effort with House Proud, where we're going to be helping a bunch of homeowners in the Smithfield neighborhood.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It is awesome. Yes.
Well, we're going to get you some fences built today. That's what I'm going to be working on. So
You're going to be working on the fence too?
yeah. Each council district received $3 million in the ARPA funds that the city received. I set aside $1 million of that $3 million to help out with housing. And within that $1 million, $500,000 of it is for this type of effort where we're helping existing homeowners do renovations, things that they might not otherwise be able to do on their own.
This is happening in our community, and not only do we represent our community on the football field, we also represent our community off the football field by the way we act, the way we participate, and just helping out anywhere we can throughout the community.
There's also skilled labor, carpenters, electricians, plumbers who will be doing some of the more involved work that these homeowners need.
Right here, right now, is when you see it on the ground. You see the dollars being spent, you see the change happening. And so to be able to be a part of the behind the scenes coordination that has to take place, the several meetings that have to take place, the intense conversations sometimes that have to take place about what's best, and then seeing it all come to fruition here today on boots on the ground in the city of Birmingham, in an area that needs this and impacting the citizens, it's a great thing. So I'm glad to be a part of this, glad to be able to represent the city of Birmingham, Parker High School, you know, just being a part of the change that we want to see.
I feel extraordinarily blessed to be have a hand in keeping folks in their homes, whereas, you know, they might have to consider other options otherwise. So it's a beautiful day in Birmingham. Couldn't ask for better weather to kick this event off, and looking forward to, you know, doing a lot more of this over the next several weeks.